So here we are on the what is it today? The 17th of December, I think, and we've actually only got about, realistically, 6 more weeks for this to look like a finished product. And I can see it happening. It might be hard for anyone who's not in the construction industry to actually see that it's getting there, but it really is. And a lot of the bones of the project are already up and running.
We pretty much got sold the energy efficiency model. We got sold a building that was good on its energy efficiency, and that wasn't the primary goal of what we're looking for. We were more so focused in on our staff and our people and looking at buildings that provided the right indoor environment quality.
And we were really particular about what we were looking for. We wanted access to fresh air, we wanted access to daylight, we wanted access to an open plan environment where all the staff could interact with each other and we felt like a team.
It was a pretty amazing day when we walked into 179 Elizabeth Street and we found what we thought was the closest thing on the market at the time to our requirements. It was the right size. It had a balcony access, so there were doors to go out, get the fresh air. It was a space that we could put our own mark on.
And the vision for our space was we wanted a live example, a walking through proof of what a green office was all about. We didn't want people just to read about it in a magazine or in a book. We wanted them to be able to come to the Green Building Council and walk around our office and understand what a green space was all about.
It's great to come in here and see the raised floor. This is the first time I've seen the raised floor in position, and it looks a little rough at the moment, but that's for very good reason. We've actually managed to source some pre-used raised floor tiles, and that just kind of adds to the whole story of the project. We're able to reuse, recycle, make good of things that would normally go to waste, be thrown out. These tiles that you see here are going to get covered with beautiful carpet from interface floor, and underneath this whole platform there's quite a complex cabling system and also a ventilation system using displacement air. A lot of the other work that's taking place is up in the ceiling here, all the ductwork, and the thing that's a bit of a challenge for all the tradesmen here is that a lot of this raw material that you're seeing up on the ceiling, that's going to be seen by everybody coming into this space. Normally in a conventional fit out you would put in false ceilings everywhere, but again, as just another concerted effort by us to minimise the use of materials, we're not putting false ceiling in. A lot of these services are actually going to be exposed. So the tradesmen sometimes get a bit worried about that, because normally they can kind of be pretty rough and ready about how they put these things up and how the pipes go past the ducts and the wires fit in. But this time, you know, they've been trying to make it a bit more aesthetically pleasing. You know, we're making modern sculptors of them, we think.
What's going to be interesting in this project actually is putting ourselves through the very same process that everybody else needs to go through to get a Green Star rating. One thing we really hope this will do is inform the process. We feel there's a lot that we can learn by actually going through the process as an applicant rather than as the GBCA, and this is an excellent opportunity to do that. Now, what that also means is, well, you know, it's a big question mark whether we'll actually achieve our Green Star rating. And so we're going to put ourselves through the same process, and we're hoping for the best. And it'll be the same group of assessors that assesses everyone else's project that will assess ours. So we can imagine that they're going to go pretty tough on us, but that remains to be seen.